Alright, hi guys. Sorry I have to be absent today, but you're going to take notes anyways, and hopefully tomorrow we can catch up on anything that you might not be sure of. So, what I need from you now is to make sure you have your notebook open to a blank page. So you can pause the video and do that. Alright, so today we are going to be covering vewac. And today is October 3rd in 2019. Alright, so let's talk about vewac, because we talked about it a little bit yesterday, but we didn't really put it to good use yet. So today we're going to spend some time and put it to good use. So the V stands for variables. The E stands for equations. The W stands for work. The A stands for answers. And the C stands for check. Okay, so what we are going to do is we're going to tackle some problems that have to deal with vewac, and that's going to be our whole unit. These first few problems are not necessarily like finding how many shoes someone has or something. They're more just number problems. So that's what we're going to focus on today. So I'm going to write them out. Make sure you write with me and just follow along. So we are going to start with this first one, and it is going to be 4 times a number subtracted by 5 is 19. 4 times the number subtracted by 5 is 19. Alright, so let's start with our vewac. So V is your variables. How you get your variables depends on what the question is that they are asking, no matter what problem you see, because we'll use vewac for all types of problems. Now in this case, they don't really ask a question. If you read the statement a few times, there's no question mark in there. But there's kind of an implied question. So let me ask this question one more time. 4 times a number subtracted by 5 is 19. What they're asking you here is they want to know what that number is. So let's set that as our let statement. They want to know what the number is. So that's what we're going to call a letter. That's what we're going to define here. So we're going to say let, and you can pick any letter you want. I'll choose M. M equal a number. We're looking for a number, so that's what we're going to let M be. E is your equation. So what I want you to do is take a minute, pause the video, and see if you can write your own equation here, and then we'll confer. Alright, thank you. So let's break this down. So I see 4 times a number, okay? 4 times a number. Okay, well we said a number is M. So 4 times M subtracted by 5. Remember what is means? Equals 19. So if I throw that all together, I have 4M minus 5 equals 19. Now I'm going to do my work. So that's my W. This is a pretty basic equation that we did in the beginning of the year. Add 5. You get 4M equals 24. Divide by 4. Divide by 4. M equals 6. Now, I talked about our answer yesterday. We want our answer to be more than just M equals 6, because we're going to get into some complicated word problems. So our answers need to be a sentence, and it can be as short as the number is 6. And then your last step is to do your check. That's the C in the vewac. So when I see my check here, I'm going to do 4 times 6 minus 5 equals 19. And I'm going to use my calculator And I'm going to do 4 times 6 minus 5 equals 19. So that's 24 minus 5 equals 19. 19 equals 19. Checks out. So my answer makes sense. So this right here is good to go. VWAC. Alright, we'll do one more. Okay, so this one says 8 times the sum of 4 and some number is 16. Let me move that up, and you can pause it if you still need to keep writing that down. 8 times the sum of some number is 16. Alright, so what you can do now is we're going to write our VWAC.